Oops. Right guys, had an absolutely awesome day with the boat yesterday. Having an amazing day today off work, done quite a lot of things, got a few more things to do this afternoon, but what I thought, that boat's on my mind, I'm not going to lie. So we're back out again today with the Traxxas Spartan, which is over here. And what I'm going to do is what I didn't do yesterday, is I'm going to stick the GoPro on the front of it, and we're just going to do a video, just a general rip about with the camera on it. Hopefully keep out the road of this swan, because I don't want to scare it or it to go mental at my boat or chase me, because if you've ever been chased by a swan, it's not much fun. So anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to get the boat, get the batteries in it, the same batteries again, the HRB lipos we've got on here. Get these in the boat. I'll tell you something, they were only about £25 each I got them for, and no complaints. Only used them once, but like I say, the pickup was really good on the boat. The boat's a good, tells a good story about batteries. So if you get kind of a cheaper end battery, there's like a big throttle delay before the boat picks up. But these ones seem pretty good. How long they'll last or if they'll swell, I don't know. But so far so good, can't complain. So what I'll do is I'll talk less now, get this bad boy set up with the camera, and next time you see it'll be on board action of the boat having a wee rip around. Hopefully I won't flip it, done well yesterday in the wind, a bit better today, but I'll not say too much till we're finished, because the last thing I'd want to do is lose my GoPro, lose my boat, because to be fair, when you've got the batteries on this, you've got the boat, the GoPro, not sure exact figures, but you're getting nearer the £1,000 mark of equipment in the water, so that's another thing a bit off-putting about boats. But yeah, let's forget about the negatives, some positives, and get in here and have a little bit of fun. Right, well that was even more fun than yesterday, a lot more confidence taking the boat out today. We actually, I don't know if I've got on camera, but when I took the GoPro off it, I flipped the boat over here, but luckily it landed on its hull properly and there was no dramas. But I think again with the wind it came back into me, so it wasn't too bad. Absolutely fantastic. I had one tiny mishap, well, tiny or big depending how you look at it, but I was coming in with the GoPro full speed into here. You'll probably see it on the camera, hopefully I've caught it, and I kinda got a bit of air and I couldn't steer the boat and we came right off here, right into the bushes, so the boat was absolutely flying. But yeah, I'm really loving it. I'm going to definitely get more into this boat, taking it out more than I usually do. I do love it. It's just purely a confidence issue with the boat, if anything's to go wrong. But I've got to say, with all the spots that I do RC in with boats, I've never been to this one, so the closest to me, and to be fair, the area is just perfect. Nice and open. We went right up the back earlier on, so I didn't want to over push the range because I'm running on the standard Traxxas controller. But if I wanted to do like speed runs, which I might stick a GPS in at some point, I could come all the way for the top and get it flat out. So obviously need a super cam day for that. But yeah, a lot of fun with the Spartan again, and yeah, I don't know, I just had a really urge after yesterday to take it out again. Just a big buzz driving this beast. So hope you enjoyed that one. Hopefully it's a bit better than yesterday's video. And again, we'll be back with more videos soon. The RC bugs coming back, and yeah, more of this to come. Catch you guys later.